Hey guys, it's Angie. I'm back and I'm going to try this marble one more time. This, I hope it turns out, because it's for my oldest daughter's birthday. It's the 15th, so I won't air it till then, which it probably won't be dry until then anyway. So I'm going to try this again on a bigger canvas. This is a 18 by 24. It's a gallery wrapped. I've already painted my sides, corners. That'll help. So let's just jump right in. Her bedroom is this beautiful turquoise blue color and gray. So that's going to be my main colors. And I just spilled a whole cup of flow extender, so I hope I'm going to have enough of that. And my paints are mixed with half of Liquitex Gloss Medium and half Floetrol. I didn't put as much Floetrol this time, plus the GAC 800, because my last painting had a ton of sales, and I'm trying to avoid that. Hope this is going to be enough paint. Should be. Okay. This is for my contrast. I'm just going to put it here and there. I'm not adding white to this one. I'm going to do silver to keep all the colors cool. And I'm just going to add little traces of this here and there. Now my silver. Okay. I'm going to hit this with a torch and get all of my bubbles, because I just mixed this paint. Okay. I'll put just a little bit of flow extender in it, since I don't have much left, since I had to spill it all. Hope that's going to be enough. And out here in these corners. Piece of tape. Yeah, there's no telling what I picked up off the table when I scooped it back up. We should be alright. We're just gonna go for it. I'll move it around just a bit. Alright. Here's the marble. I think the paint's running faster than the marble. It is a little thick. Go, marble, go. We need to go over here. All right, now get down here to this corner. Kind of plain down there, so let's take some of this down there. Now we're working on composition. Take a little bit of that off. This is really pretty. I hope she likes it. How cool is that? It's making a few sales. Nothing like the last one though. Thank goodness. I think she'll like that. I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Then I'll fix all my edges. Okay, I love that. Isn't that pretty? Focus camera. Okay, I'm having technical difficulties. Bear with me. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I love the lines. I hope she likes it. Yeah, I'm getting sales. Yeah, maybe I added just a touch too much of that hot pink color. That's crazy. But I like that marble technique. That's pretty cool. When this dries, we'll do a dried result. Thanks for hanging, guys. Let me know what you think. See you later, Gators. Hey, I'm back. Today's the 15th, so it's been about a week or so. And normally I wait a couple weeks before I resin, but this one was kind of rushed. I hope it's going to be okay. It turned out beautiful. I did a small coat of resin, and then I did a flood coat. So I hope she likes it. I don't know which way she's going to put it. Well, let's do it this way. That's pretty cool too. But anyway, it turned out great. I love resin. It has one spot in it, you can't hardly see it, that I got a little close with the torch. And it burned a little spot, made it dull looking. Maybe later on I'll put a little thin coat on it. But for now, there you have it. Isn't that cool what a marble will do? Now I still just love the lines in it. That's what makes it pretty. Alrighty guys, y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next video. Later, Gators.